Hey guys, it's Déyzya again, and today we are not in the usual setup because today is room tour day. I put a poll on Instagram and Facebook to either do a psych ward story time or a room tour. So right now it's looking like mostly room tour because you guys are not interested in my psychotic experience. But so we're gonna just go with the masses and do a room tour. My room is not completely finished. Like, I would like to have more stuff on my walls. I like stuff on my walls. I like art on my walls. I like tapestries or tapestries, however you want to say it. But yeah, that's what today is going to be, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you, and thank you for those of you who actually chose what you wanted. I made a little post like after, like, please go vote. It's just so simple to choose between the two. Even if you're not gonna watch it, I just would really appreciate. I really appreciate when people actually engage in, the stuff that I create. So let's get into the video. Okay, so like I said, this is not the finished product, but I'm just gonna take you guys around my room, share with you some of my art, how I storage my art, and all those things. So first of all, this is my bed. I do not have a frame on it because frames just take up a lot of space, and I never thought I would like my bed on the floor, but I really enjoy it. It's really comfy. So starting over here, I have this D that I've had for a while. I have a piece of art that I made back when I was living alone in college. I have some records on my wall along with my record player that has Hive Mind by the Internet on it right now. This is like my little bulletin board. I just put on there things that keep me going, like being balanced. You are the embodiment of love and God. Do something productive today. Learn, live, and grow every day. God gave me to guide. And these are some of my first earrings when I was sizing my ears. If you haven't noticed, my ears are gauged. So here's some more of my records. This is a painting that I did that reminded me of my mom, and I just put it up here. I want a tapestry to go right here, but I haven't found my old ones, and I really miss them, and I'm just kind of distraught that I can't find it. Here's my computer. Here's my little moo-moo that I wear all the time. And here's some storage and stuff. I paint mannequin heads, so that's why that's down there. Here's some sketchbooks and some my larger sketchbooks and newsprint papers to create. Some more records are down there. My backpack, my favorite backpack. So now we can go into my closet. It's not the most organized, but it's as organized as it's gonna get. This is my clothes. I don't have a dresser because I chose not to have a dresser in my room this time because it takes up a lot of space. Once again, I like to have a lot of space to breathe, to create, to be inspired. If I have too much clutter, then I'm not going to be able to be inspired. And so I keep all of my underwear and all that stuff over there, and then all my clothes over here. And here's some of my mannequin head stuff all of the stuff that I need to make mannequin heads. My dirty clothes hamper and my shoes are over there. And here's some of my bags and scarves and my favorite jackets that has paint all over them, and my apron to paint, and some of my hats. And the top of my closet is kind of just stuff that I haven't really organized yet. And over here we have some of my paintings. I think I want a longer tapestry to go right there, but for right now this is what I have here. Here's like my little book collection. This is a doll that my grandma, she designed the clothes and made the clothes for the doll. That's one of her passions. And of course my TV, don't you love it? And my favorite mug, which is a cat standing up, and it says, "Don't stress me out." don't we love that? But yeah, here's a little bit of my book collection. And on my wall, I love Frida Kahlo, so she's the first thing I see when I come in my room and leave the door. This is my little thing that I keep my crystals in. My crystals are currently charging in the window because the sun was out today, girl, out. And here's one of my paintings that I did a while back at our old house. And here is a project that I did for I forgot what class it was. It was a college class, but this is the map of day. I have, let's see if I can focus. What is my purpose? Where will I be in 5 years? Will I be happy with my choices? Can I avoid debt? It was very straight to the point. So as you can see, that's a silhouette of me, and then all the thoughts and the different colors represent the different thoughts that I'm having. And then those stars in the back represent my bright, successful future. So once you lift that up, you can see that. Once you lift that up, you see just me and my successful future, and of course the sun in the background. So that was a project that I did. And then this is a painting that ink painting that one of my friends back in high school gave me. And this is, of course, just a mask, you know, because I love masks. And over here, right here, is just like my drawing section. I just changed this around so I could have a space to draw, give myself, this is like my art space all over here. This thing right here used to be right here right here on the floor, and it used to have all of these books on top of it, and I thought it looked tacky, so I decided to change. I got up early this morning and just started rearranging, decorating some more, deep cleaning, washing all of my sheets, washing all of my covers, because it was just that time. And so this is my little drawing section. This is an old sketch that I did with some of my favorite things to tell myself all over it, or under it. And that's another ink sketch that I did. And here is my little art section. These are my paintings. This one up here is not mine. That is my old friend Jessica's. She gifted that to me because I loved it so much. It's the water, and I just adored the painting. So she let me have it. And then these two here are my own. All of the rest of it is all my original artwork. The first one is called Starseed. The second one is like Starseed Part 2. And then this is like my first oil painting that I ever did, right there, right here. And then here's a little sketch that I did back in college. And of course my rainbow, because you know how I do. If you don't know, now you know. But this is a painting, my most recent painting that I've done. This is just like my painting station. And these are some of my art education books that I have, and they're all just sitting here. And then I just added this right here, but like I said, like this big trunk right here used to be on the floor, and now I moved it so I could have more space and storage space. And the rest of this stuff is like canvases that I haven't used, more art supplies, more old art, my slippers and stuff. And then here is my curtain that goes over my window. And then the rest of this down here, excuse all that, this is I had the iron, hold on 1 second. I usually iron right here, so that's why that's there. All the books that I had on top of that trunk on the floor here are now in this case. I really love this case. It has a really pretty painting on top of it. But this is where I keep like some of my altar stuff, which is my incense, different prayers and all those things in that brown bag. And then the rest of this is just books that I love and adore and that I like to look at. And that's a little baby picture of me. Those are my favorite watercolors. And here is my guitar that I don't know how to play, that I wish I knew how to play. These are some of my original artworks as well. Some of these are from September when I was slightly manic. Like that dream one over here is the one I was talking about in my previous video. where I literally created an art piece behind my dream. And it's, if you remember, I was talking about there was a upside down dimension, and so this is what that represents. This is like the top of the ground, the bottom of the ground, and then this is a tree, and then the tree ends up making a divine feminine, and then the numbers that I saw, which was 444, the butterflies, the caterpillar that I saw, all of that is in that. This is I think it's an oil painting that I did. I don't remember if it's oil or acrylic. It seems like oil, but it might be acrylic. This is an old sketch that I did. Here's another sketch. I call them sketches because I was just sketching, honestly. I sketch with ink. So some of my favorite numbers are 3, 6, and 9. If you can see them in that, you're cool. And yeah, that's some of my artwork right there. And of course, another mask, because we love masks, and what they represent. And here I have some more paintings because when we were moving, maybe 5 months before we moved, I started shopping. Me and my mom started shopping for how I wanted my room to look. And yeah, I thought I wanted cactuses, and of course, I just went my own route whenever it was actually time to decorate. Here is my little altar space in my money tree that I showed you guys last time. I keep my tarot cards, my journals, my books that I'm reading right now, and I also listen to music right there. And here is my mirror where I dance and look at myself before I leave. And behind there is all of my stuff for after bath and after shower. So yeah. And then my comforter is from Ross, I believe. It's super comfortable. It's like my favorite thing ever. And the pillows match the underbed, of course. And this is an eye. I actually have a tattoo of the same eye, that's why when I got it, I was like, I gotta have it. That is from, the eye is from Five Below, actually. Got it for $5. And then the lights that don't work right now because I always have them on accident, those are from Five Below as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is gonna be a pretty short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. And see the fool. Let me think through. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm trying to space out. My mom brought it to my attention that I should probably not post every single day like I have been, because people are going to start expecting me to do that all the time, and I'm not always going to have so many topics or so many things to post. So I'm going to spread out when I post from now on. I'm going to just start filming whenever I feel like filming, and then just saving them so you guys can have some space between my videos, of course. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you have a wonderful day, night, morning, wherever you are, and I pray that you stay blessed and you stay full of light and full of love. And also, getting through the dark times, because that's what we're here to do. It's a balance, baby. Balance, baby. But yeah, I had fun filming this. It didn't take as long as I thought it was going to. But yeah, this is not this is not the way I want my room to finish being, of course. I want more tapestries. I want more stuff on my walls. So later on, maybe in a few months, I'll give you guys an updated room tour. So expect that maybe if I find the perfect tapestries. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in again. And I hope you have a great day. Peace.